It's been a while since the Oppo A31 was released, but it still seems to be a great buy in the older phone category at a much discounted price, especially during sales. You may use it as a secondary phone, or it may be ideal for light to moderate users who can take advantage of the higher 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The Oppo A31's 12MP camera quality is pretty decent for a 6 plus 128GB device costing under 12K, as is evident from the blacks of the night shots. Now let's get things a bit wet in the water test, starting with the oleophobic bath test. One good thing is that Oppo, as well as most BBK devices, have traditionally done pretty well in our water tests, even though they do not have official IP rated INCUS ratings like the IP53 ratings you have started to see on some Xiaomi budget flagships and mid-ranges, and of course IP68 ratings on all premium flagships. So as you can see from the way the water behaves, especially after it hits the glass, unfortunately the water tends to lie flat on the surface instead of rolling off as non-sticking drops. This is quite in line with most Oppo and BBK devices in this price segment. The good news at this point of time is that the audio output hasn't yet gotten distorted or has been affected by low loudness levels as seen on some devices. That's why we are already here in the ongoing light splashing round. This round seems to look very light in the eyes, but don't let that fool you, since it has been responsible for the demise of past devices due to permanent damage of the motherboard. Other than that and affected audio issues, there are several other temporary ways that devices can get negatively affected both in the light and heavy drenching rounds, especially if the audio gets affected, which is an indication of initial liquid damage. We weren't able to perform the last round of light total submersion, since unfortunately the audio did get affected with low volume distortion. On to the scratch test to know the scratch resistance capability of the tempered glass protection on its LCD display. We are here to find out if the tempered glass protection on the Oppo A31 also fares the blade like most budget BBK and Oppo devices of the past, with no oleophobic coating as a common factor between them. Also the fact that lower quality undisclosed glass protection almost always has been susceptible to permanent light scratches from the blade and even keys and coins. On the other hand, the expected high quality of the Corning glass protection has almost always been too good against the seal blade as expected according to the Mohs scale of hardness. This is one of those common times when the Corning glass protection on the Oppo A31 has passed the scratch test as usual. Next, moving on to fun stuff with value, the bend test. Can the older Oppo A31 still be recommended as a budget device in terms of structural build quality? Some degree of flex or bend degree when tested from the display side, but not too much and no reason for alarm. Almost the same degree of flex from the backside pressure as the first, the A31 survives until now from the second hard bend. Even though the Oppo A31 is relatively slim at 8.3mm, it manages to survive a build quality bend test like most other BBK Oppo devices on the channel, and we can easily recommend it as a secondary device or for light to moderate users who want a good amount of RAM and storage.